Hey folks, it's Russ. Welcome to the channel. I just wanted to shoot a quick video and talk to you about a simple product that everyone needs. Now, if you own a cell phone or a desktop, laptop, or tablet, and you have important files or precious photos of your family or videos that you make, whatever it is, and you never want to have to worry about losing those, Got Backup is a solution for you, okay? Now, there are other data storage providers out there like Dropbox, for example. They charge you $9.99 a month for 2 terabytes of data storage, and it's only good for one user, okay? And one account, basically. And what you get here at Got Backup, you get 6 terabytes of data. You can use it on an unlimited amount of devices. You can share it with up to 5 other people for a total of 6 accounts, and it's only $9.97 a month. Okay, and on top of that, it's a full collaboration tool. So for example, if you go on a family vacation and take a bunch of photos, you can have them automatically backed up to Got Backup into a folder, and then you can go and share that folder with other family members, and they don't have to be a part of Got Backup. All right, on top of that, we have a full business tool suite in the back office where you can create PowerPoint presentations, Word documents, spreadsheets. There's a whiteboard. I mean, there's a photo editor. There's all kinds of stuff back there, okay, for $9.97 a month. So it's not that we're better than Dropbox or iCloud or OneDrive or any of the other companies. It's just that we provide way more value for $9.97 a month. And just so you know, 6 terabytes of data storage is enough room for about 12 million photos, okay? So this is good for any, photographers, artists, content creators, anybody who runs a business. We use it for our soap company. So if you're really looking for a product that everyone needs, Got Backup is it. And why I say a product everyone needs is because there's over 12 billion devices on the planet right now that are being used daily. All right, so 12 billion laptops, cell phones, tablets, desktops, 12 billion being used daily. Dropbox alone has 720 million users. Google has over 1 billion users. Google Drive. Right, but they don't provide the value that we provide. And on top of that, they don't have a compensation plan like we have at Got Backup. So not only is it a product that you need, but it's a product that can make you very wealthy if you put in the time and effort, okay? So for a one-time $20 reseller fee, you can become a Got Backup reseller. So you're basically an independent affiliate. You get a full marketing suite in the back office, all right? So you're going to get landing page, capture pages. You're going to get ad copy, banner ads, everything that you need to be successful. We have trainings all week long, every single week. You're going to get all of my personal contact information so that you can reach out to me whenever you need help or have a question. We have a private Facebook group. We have an official Facebook group. And for action takers out there, all you action takers out there watching this, if you're looking to supplement your income or you're looking to replace your income, if you want to quit the rat race and work for yourself, then check out the link down below this video, because there's no other opportunity like this on the planet right now, okay? And I've been doing this for over 16 years, and I can tell you 100% that there's no other company like this on the planet, all right? We do have competitors in as far as data storage providers, but there's nobody doing this in the network marketing space. There's no other companies that have a compensation plan and who are paying other members to go and share this with other people and earn commissions by doing so, okay? So that is why I think this is the best network marketing company on the planet. It's going to be $1 billion company in a few years. Right now there's 30,000 members. Okay, and we launched this back in April. I joined right when it launched. We have over 30,000 members. We're in 124 different countries right now, which is unheard of in network marketing. I mean, a lot of companies who have been around for decades aren't even in 10 countries. We're in 124 in less than 8 months. And I love the fact that it's a digital product. So people that sign up to use, even if you don't become a reseller, if you just sign up for our services, you get access to them right away. All right. There's no waiting for products to be shipped or things going through custom or anything like that. It's instant access, and you can actually set up and start making money right away. Now, I got to put in my income disclaimer. It's all dependent on your work ethic, okay? I can't guarantee you're going to make any money with this, but I can guarantee you that if you treat this like the business that it is and show up every day and put in an hour or so, working towards building up your business, over time you can create a life-changing income, okay? You don't have to be a professional network marketer. Like I said, we have trainings all week long. We have a private Facebook group where myself and my business partner, Dave, we have a power hour on Sundays with our team. So you can ask any questions. We have an official Facebook group. We're like a big family here, okay? We're all going towards the #1 rank in the company, or the highest rank in the company, which is Black Diamond. That's once you earn $1 million in earnings, okay? So it's a product that every single person has a device, especially a cell phone, needs. Okay, right before Got Backup was introduced to me, my wife Tina had her phone stopped working. Like 2 weeks before, her phone completely stopped working. Now she's a content creator, so she's always making videos and taking pictures. And we tried charging the phone. We took it into Verizon. They couldn't get the phone turned back on. And so we both ended up getting new phones, but she lost everything that was on that phone. All right. Now she doesn't have to worry ever again about losing anything, because everything that she needs saved gets saved automatically into Got Backup. And Got Backup has a 10,000 square foot facility in Schertz, Texas. They have a huge data center there. So she never has to worry about losing her data again, okay? And the parent company of Got Backup, GVO, they've been in business for 25 years. The owner, Joel Taryn, he's earned over $300 million in that time. So this is a legit company. It's debt-free. It's not going anywhere. We're just getting started with Got Backup. This is going to be, we're looking at probably having 1 million users or so by the end of next year. And so now is the time to get into this. Even if you are not a network marketer, or you think, well, I could use the services, but I'm not interested in making money with this. It's only a one-time $20 fee to become a reseller. So it's worth it to pay that one-time $20 fee. And even if you only share it with 1 or 2 people, you're going to make money. All right. And it can be life-changing income. We have people earning 5 figures a month in this company already. And we're just getting started. All right. Our team, everyone that is on our team, we have over 450 or 60 members in my personal downline now. So it's a huge opportunity here for all the action takers out there. All right, because it's simply a product that everybody needs. So there's no shame in sharing this with your family, your friends, relatives, people at the grocery store, people at the library, wherever you go, you can tell people about Got Backup, because it's simply a service that everybody needs. You're actually doing a disservice by not sharing it with everybody. All right, who doesn't want to save all their family pictures and videos that they create, or business files, or whatever it is that's important to you? All right. So it's not that we're better than Dropbox or all these other companies. It's just that we provide way more value. And that's why I love this company. This is, aside from our soap company that Tina and I run, this is the only other business opportunity that we're involved with. And we're not going anywhere. We're here to stay. So if you're looking for a sponsor that isn't going to go anywhere, and that's here for the long run, click on that link down below. It'll take you over to a 6-minute video that explains this in better detail than I am. And then if it's something that resonates with you, you simply enter your name and a valid email address. Click the button. You'll be taken into a temporary back office where you can learn more about this company. You can take a tour of the facility in Schertz, Texas. And you can see just how powerful and valuable that this opportunity really is, okay? And then, if it's something that you want to join, you pay a one-time $20 reseller fee. It's $9.97 a month thereafter. You can also pay for an entire year and get 2 months for free. And then you can start using the data software, the storage, and start sharing it with other people and start making some extra money. All right, the sky's the limit with network marketing, especially with this company. If you want to make $100,000 a month, over time down the road, that is something that's very possible with this opportunity. You just got to show up every day and put in the work. All right? So anyway, I don't want to keep this video too long, but I just wanted to share that with you. This is an awesome opportunity. It's, like I said, nobody else in the network marketing industry is doing what we're doing. You're never going to run out of people to share this opportunity with, so you never have to worry about the market becoming saturated like with other other niches in this industry, like health and wellness, for example. There's a lot of health and wellness companies out there, and eventually, everybody starts competing with each other. There's nobody else doing what we're doing in the network marketing space. So it's a brand new opportunity. It's going to be a $1 billion company. And if you want a little slice of that, click on that link down below. And I look forward to working with you. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you find any value in it, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and I truly, truly appreciate you all. So I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.